If you wish to edit your profile or subscription, all you need to do is click on your name in the top right corner and go to the profile. On the left side, you will see your profile details and invoice details that you can fill out and change at any time. On the right side, you will see the subscription information. You can either buy a single document that will allow you to freely edit one template, use the AI assistant within the selected template, and you will also have limited access to the dashboard. You can also decide to buy a subscription. There are 3 options: 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. All of them grant you unlimited access to the application, and you can create as many agreements as you want. Once you choose your subscription, you will be asked to fill out your card details. That's it, your subscription is active. Buttons next to your plan name allow you to see your payment history, edit and upgrade your subscription, or cancel it.